How's it going, guys? My name is Tyrone Griffin, and I am a stay-at-home, work from home, whatever you want to call it, lazy marketer, whatever the names are out there that's going these days. I'm one of those guys who stays at home. He works online. He posts, makes videos and makes money from the comfort of his own home, and he spends it and lives the type of life that he wants to live. And it is actually December the 30th, 2018, and I was thinking to myself, how can I actually start 2019 off with a bang? What other way to do that than to not only, offer a free opportunity to others out there looking to actually get started. For the people that never even get a chance to get started, I'm going to show you a free opportunity, or just a little hack, just using your head on how you can actually get started in everyday online marketing so that you can make type of money that you're looking, whether it's, $300 a week, $500 a week, 1,000, it's all up to your grind. But I'm going to show you at minimum how you can actually get started with an opportunity, make $20. And if that's all you want to make, cool. But I'm going to show you how you can actually get started here today. No money out of your pocket, period. Keep all your money to yourself. And I'm going to show you how to get started once again, free. I don't know how many times I got to say that, but free. Just doing a couple of little, marketing in the groups that you're already in and helping other people get started making money all the time. I know you guys see a lot of those, I want to help you. I want to help you. I legitimately want to help you actually get started. No money out of your pocket. So you can do this anytime, anywhere. And it's quick and it's literally not too much of anything that needs to be done. So to get started, as you can see, there is I'm on the screen of paypal.com. And you see this card, and you're probably wondering, what does this card got to do with being able to make money? But with this card, guys, I'm going to show you mine. And I don't know if you can see my name, but there's my name right there, Lorenzo Griffin. First name is Tyrone. I go by Tyrone Griffin, but on this card right here is Lorenzo. So, as you can see right here, it's saying Spend Smart PayPal Prepaid. So you can use your PayPal prepaid MasterCard to eat, drink, and shop everywhere. Everywhere Debit MasterCard is accepted. Order online. There's no purchase fee to get the card. Subject to activation, identity verification only. Did you hear what I just said? Now, with a lot of different work from home or opportunities out there, and this is just a little hack. This is just a hack, that I have discovered. This isn't something where it's just like, oh, it's literally one of those things where, they're promoting or whatever case may be. But I'm showing you how you can actually just go out there and find things just like this so that you can make money. And there's other different ways that I can show you, but today I want to show you this one right here. So the only thing stopping you from getting this is it is subject to activation and identity verification. You have to do those things in order to get started. But there's one more condition on this, and I'll get to it as you get a little bit further into this right here. Now, as you can see right here, it says load, reload, and repeat. And you get a little app that goes with it so you can actually pay attention to it. That's one of the greatest things about that. A lot of your work from home business, they don't really have apps. Everything is directly online. You got to log in from your phone, but here's an app directly that you can actually use and go into it. So let's see, let's go back up, and it says how it works. Go to that. And it says get started. It says, order a personalized prepaid card today. It will arrive 7 to 10 business days. I'm here to tell you guys, depending on your location here in the US, you can actually get this card from 1 to 3, in 3 to 7 days. I'm guessing I'm living a little bit closer to one of the distribution centers, and I got mine in 3. But with this opportunity, like I said, stay with me. I'm going to show you how you can actually make money with this card right here, guys. With this card, it says once you receive it activated online or over the phone, add money to the account and you're ready to go. So when you actually get your card, you're going to get an account, and it's going to show like this. So I'm going to log into my prepaid MasterCard account. All right. All right, show me some love. Show me some love. Don't keep these people waiting. All right, so as you can see right here, go to the history dashboard. And as you can see, I've been using this card And I've been spending, I've been making money right here, but I'm going to show you this part right here because that's what everybody want to see, right? You want to see that I have made money with this card. And here it is. All this right here is coming from what I'm getting ready to show you right now. And as you can see, 12/11, 12/12, and 12/13. I've been doing this part-time. I saw it, but things became very busy and I haven't been able to get back on there and do it. So I'm making this video to show you guys exactly what it is that I was doing. So as you can see, this card comes with its own bank account. So not only do you have your own bank account, so you can do direct deposits, you can do mobile check loads and upload money, from stores firsthand, but you get your own little debit card. And for those people who want to do things like the Cash App, Doge, Venmo, and they're not able to do it because they don't have a debit card, this debit card right here is able to be uploaded on there so that you can actually get started, using it and promoting and marketing that. And as you can see, my notification for Doge just popped up. So you can actually use that debit card on this right here, which is going to further, help you be able to make money for free without having to spend anything to get started. And then you can use this money to get on those paid type of opportunities out there so that you can keep moving forward. So anyways, as you can see, guys, talk right here about the benefits. So they give you alerts and let you know when your money's low or whatever it is that you need to do. I'm going to go ahead and tell you straight up that with this account, it does come with a couple of fees. So when you upload money onto your account, depending on the location that you go, they do have load locations. You're going to pay anywhere from $2 to $3, almost $4 in order to do that, which is not a problem. I know actual bank accounts, they charge you monthly fees to be able to do it. And this one has one, but if there's no money in the account, you're not going to get charged. So you don't have to worry about that. If I'm wrong, please let me know. But I know for sure as of right now, that's not a thing. It could change. So within these 2 months, not 2 months, but this 1 month that I've had it, just for these 3 days that I've actually been using the hack that I'm about to show you, I've transferred over 200 from doing it, plus another 10, that's 210, and then on top of that, that's 477. So what you're looking at, guys, is about 677, not 677, but 687 that I've actually made doing this little hack, and I'm going to show you how to do that here. But I'm going to finish off showing you the information on here first. So how are you going to get money on here? Like I said, direct deposit, because this is a bank account, as you can see over here, bank account information, and you can do that. But if you look over here, it's also going to show you reload location, because obviously there's not a bank out there for you to be able to do it and deposit money into your account. So as I discussed that there are uploads, amounts, like I said, $3 to $4. You're going to see right here, it's $2 for this right here. It's $3.95, and it's going to show you these locations in your town. As you can see, I'm here in Fayetteville, Arkansas. I don't have a problem that you guys know that. I want to establish trust and let you see that I'm genuinely trying to help everybody, as they're actually doing what it is that they're trying to do. So how is it that you're going to get money to do what it is that I'm trying to do? How is it that you're going to be able to make anywhere from $3 to $500 a week just by doing this, promoting to the online, work from home community? Well, guys, as you can see right here, there's an alert that pops up, and it says down here, refer a friend, and you could each earn $20. Isn't that what we're all doing in these work from home business? We're referring people to companies, and they're making money. We are the middleman, the bridges to be able to get everything started. So you click on it, and it says, tell your friends and family why you love your PayPal prepaid MasterCard. When a friend or family member orders a new card loaded with at least $40, we will give you $20. All right, now y'all may see that one condition: you have to load it with 40. Would that be a problem for you? You work, you make money, you loading your $40 on here is not going to be an issue for you, because you're not going to lose that money. You're going to have that 40 plus the 20 that you're going to get for loading the money on here. Literally the moment that you load the $40 on there, then you're going to get 20 and I'm going to get 20. So you keep doing it over and over and over. You're not losing money here. You're making money. There aren't too many free opportunities that are going to give you, anywhere close to $20. And guys, I'm showing you how you can actually get started and have cash in hand. Now, like I told you, if you have it for a month, then there's a fee. But if you take the money off of it, there is no fee on that account. So the moment you put your 40 on it, you get your 20 within the next 20 hours. I think it's not 20 hours, I'm sorry, the next 1 to 2 hours. Then you can take the money off. So you went from 40 to 60 within 2 hours. You know, most people don't even make $20 an hour. And then I'm going to show you how you can actually go out there and make money. So if you take a look at this right here, it says refer a friend. So these are the multiple ways you're going to do it. Share on social media, what you guys are already doing. I'm doing this right now. That's why you see this video. And then send or share a link. So you're going to get this referral code and you're going to text it to somebody or just write it down and let them go to the site, and then they're going to put it on there. Now you may be wondering, okay, so what does the site look like, or how, are these people going to put my referral code in? You're going to do it one or two ways. Like say this right here is going to send them a link on social media and they're going to put it in, or you're going to give them your personal link directly to them and it's going to go. So what does it look like when you go to that actual link? So that page looks like this right here. It says earn $20, refer a friend credit. Friendship is rewarded. You and your friend will both of you, not just me, you both get $20 credit when you activate, verify your identity, and fund your new PayPal card with at least 40 in cash or direct deposit. So understand this. You can't transfer money. You cannot transfer money from your PayPal account over to your prepaid PayPal. You're not going to get your $20, and I'm not going to get the $20. I want you guys to be able to do this the way that I didn't get able to do it, because when I got my card, I didn't get the $20. I didn't know anything about this. So now I'm helping you guys. I'm going to show you how you can make money and make literally, 300 to 500 a week. Now I made, 687 in 3 days, but I'm going to show you how you can at least do the bare minimum and you can make the type of money that you're looking for. Because a lot of people want to be able to get started for free. They don't want to have, well, I'm not going to say they don't want to, but a lot of people don't have the money to actually get started, and I understand this. This is going to show you how you can actually get this going and then jump into those paid type of opportunities. And at the end, guys, if you want to, find out what type of opportunities I'm in, you want to be able to get started, I'll show you that. Just send me a message on social media. As you guys already know, I'm here on social media. And this is my account. Actually, no, don't go to this. This is my business. I'm also, I help people get business loans and everything. So that's what this account for. You're going to look for me here on this account right here. And this is going to be the profile picture. Feel free to add me a request, send me a message on the account. But in reference to this opportunity that I'm telling you right now, this is where you need to be at. You can see my mom just had a birthday, showing us some love there. I'm pretty straightforward guy. I've been in the military going on 11 years. It'll be 11 years on March 29, 2018. Shout out to all my veterans out there, the people who paved the way for me. I'm a current staff sergeant. I'm doing the thing. I'm living life. I'm trying to do the same thing that everybody else is doing. I want to give value first. I want to help everybody learn and move forward before I get ahead. Because I know that if you help everybody else, then, my opportunity is going to come. So I'm out here for you guys, and I'm learning more and more and more. I work out. This is just, not to brag about anything, but I just want you guys to know who I am. I'm a genuine person. These are the type of things that I do here in my life. I want you guys to understand who I am and what it is that I'm trying to do. But anyways, to get back to the opportunity, this is what you guys get. Like I said, you get just with the card feature, you get direct deposit, PayPal transfers, mobile app. This is separate. So you're going to get a bank account with Bancorp, separate from your PayPal account. Those are not the same. You're going to get access to reload locations up to 130,000 different locations, and a savings account, guys. So you have this, and then you get payback rewards. So when you're out there, you're spending money. Ooh, this is a plus too. So it analyzes your spending habits that you're using with your card. And I don't get paid off this right here. This is just something, as a benefit for the card. But they will analyze how you're spending it, and they will give you reward offers or show you how you can save cash while you're out there spending money, or give you cash back, depending on if you're somebody who's only doing groceries and gas, if you're somebody who's using, department clothing stores or whatever the case may be, or you're shopping online, they're going to tailor these type of offers for you to be able to save money while you're out there doing it. And I'll show you a little bit. So as you can see, like I said, all these alerts that they have over here. Um, let's see. Oh, and you can do bill pay with this, guys. Guys, there's a lot of different stuff that you can actually do. And I wish I had the time to really just sit time and tell you more, but you're going to get a chance to do this. So this is something, anyways, that you're looking to do. Go ahead and get started here with this link. Remember, if you don't use the link, you're not going to make, the 20 to get started. But at the same time, I'm not telling you to get started with me. I'm just showing you how to make $20 to be able to get started and to do this and to be able to make money, from this point using something free. So if you're on YouTube, then the link is in the description. If you're on my website that I've created by me marketing on Facebook or other social medias, then just check the link below. It's going to take you directly to this page right here. Going to take you directly to this page right here. It may even be an opt-in. That way, maybe I can send you guys more information about what it is I'm doing with my other opportunities. But you're going to see this page. You're going to get started. And as you can see right here, it's going to, ask you, which of the following payments would you like to receive up to 2 days faster? And it's paycheck, tax return. Oh, and I want to make sure before I go. Okay, so if you make more than $600 with this, then they're going to send you a 1099 form. You're going to pay taxes doing this right here. So guys, once again, it's backed up by two of some of the most prominent companies out there, Bank Corp, as well as NetSpend, and don't forget about PayPal. So there's 3 different companies out there, guys. Hey, I don't want to make this any longer than what it is. Let's get started. Let's make this money. 2019, let's be a beast. Let's get out here and do what it is that we're trying to do. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me over here on my social media page. Please send a message to this one right here. Don't send it to this one up here. Like I said, I do my business. I promote funding and mortgage broker type companies. If you're a business, you're looking for funding, by all means, reach out to me. But other than that, reach out to me here and we'll go from there, and I'll help you guys get started. And hey, Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's, guys. You have a wonderful year. I will talk to you soon. I look forward to working with you in the future.